What's up, guys? Mike again. I told you guys I'll be back with a video, so this is like a first for me doing a video like back to back. More so, this is like an unboxing kind of review kind of deal. I got some cases for my iPhone XS Max. I got the space gray 256 gigabyte from Verizon, and phone so far is great. I can't really complain about it. More so, that is the same piece of shit I'm playing. No, I'm just kidding. Let me edit that out. But here you go. This is the first case is going to be from VRS. That's the branding right there. You see it comes in nice packaging, very thick and robust, as you can see here. Got in this nice little packaging here. Oh man, this is like an OtterBox. Reminds me like an OtterBox case kind of deal. Jeez, probably spent more money on buying this case with the packaging. And there it is. Nice packaging, actually. Got a foam in the middle. It's all glued up. This is... I don't care about that. Let's put that over there. And let's see here. Paper. And that's the case. Wow. Okay. Pretty nice. This has this textured back here. I mean, it's kind of slippery in a way, but it doesn't add to... It doesn't, like, add any, like, extra grip. Maybe it does, but it's still that matte finish. Bottom is nice and matte finish. You got your branding right there. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not, but it says VRS in red tab. Your buttons, cutouts. There you go. Buttons here. Let's put it on the phone. Put the phone on it, rather. And let's see what it looks like. So this is the first time I'm putting it on, so nice. Okay, nice in the hand. Feels really nice in the hand. So there goes your buttons. Cut out for the camera, nice, and a little recess maybe. Yeah, maybe just a little bit. It's really nice. So you got some lip action there. I don't know if you can see that, guys. I'm sorry. Don't have the best camera out here. There you go. Nice and slim. I like the feel of it. Very nice. It's like I said though, it's nice. It's a matte finish, but it's kind of like a little slippery for me. But maybe in time when I use it, it'll feel better. All right, let's get on to the next case. I don't want to waste too much again of your time. We got another case from what's this, Ringke or Rink? I don't know how to say that. So nice packaging, plastic. Let's go tear from the top. It says, do I have to do a flossy card or beast mode? Jeez. Okay. Alright. Jeez. Alright. Wow. What's all this crap here? The regular books and bleep. There you go. Remove outside film. Okay. Alright, this is going to be a struggle for me to remove. So let me peel back behind the camera. You guys, hold on for a second. I'll come right back. Don't worry. Yeah, this is going to be... Is it on the back or is it on the front? Well... Alright, that's not it. Damn. Let's just put it on. Alright, guys, I'm not going to attempt to even take this off. It's really in there, so let's try it on. Ringke case. Snaps on nice. Nice lip. Very nice. Generous, actually. If you can see that. Got your cutout here for your silent and on switch. That's the back. It looks really nice with this black. It's very nice. And cutouts there, nice and generous with the cutouts. I don't know if you can see all of that. There it is. Nice, very nice. I like this. This case overall is really nice. Nice. The camera is nice and recessed. So if we put it down on its back, you know, you're not gonna have any problems. Let me put this away. Not gonna have any problems with that. Okay. I really like that. So if you put it down, no worries. Alright, that's the Ringke case. Alright, let's get on with the next case. It's from Caseology. It's the Skyfall for the iPhone XS Max. Let's try this out. Nice packaging. There's a pull tab here. Nice. Alright, comes with plastic here. Looks like there's another plastic piece struggle for me to do. Sorry guys, it's a long video. Got some paperwork here, your regulars. Welcome to the club. We're happy to have you. Thank you. And let's see what's inside. Nothing really. Nothing interesting that I care about. Warning. So there you go guys, you gotta read that, okay? Outer, remove protective films from the front and back of your case by peeling from the corner. So there's stuff in them. Oh, here we go. See, that's what you need right there. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Oh, okay, that didn't work out so well. Yeah, that didn't do too much. All right, it broke off. It broke off. Oh, both Bluetooth little tabs here broke off. Let's see. Let's take this case off and check Caseology out. Let's put this box here real quick because my cat is getting really interested in it. Oh, it's a two-part case, I think, and it's going to be a tight fit. I don't want to damage it. Oh, there we go. Nice. Alright, this right here, ladies and gentlemen, this right here is the case for me. Yup. The sides have this nice, it's not textured, but it's like this nice matte grippy feel on the sides. Again, this is from Caseology, Skyfall, and this is like with the black bumper with the clear back. Man, this is really nice in the hands. Buttons are real clicky. Yep. Nice and clicky. Nice and recessed camera angle right here. Look at that. The buttons, really nice. I didn't mean to turn on my phone. The cutouts are nice and generous, as you can see there. All right. I mean, this is if I had to pick from these three cases that I have, which is the Ringke case and the VRS case, I think I would pick this Caseology case right here. Now you can find these cases for really cheap, really good. I mean, I like the quality of it on Amazon, and I tell you, it's a great find for me. So, you know, I think you guys are going to be happy, especially with this Caseology case. Well, this is Mike again. Thanks for watching. You guys hit that like button for me. Please subscribe. That would really help me out. You know, grow the channel just a bit. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Hit the comment sections. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter and Facebook. And I'll put all those links down in the descriptions. Y'all have a good one. Until next time, I'll be doing another video of installment of the tempered glass. So, I'll see you guys next time.